Xiaomi 14 Ultra just launched in China, of course. It will be launched also in Europe in like 4 or 3 days. But this is a Chinese site translated via Google Translation, so it could be a misspelling and not aligning correctly. It's Google Translation. We know how it goes. Anyway, a Leica All-Stars quad shot. Leica optics. That is very important because, for example, in Oppo and Hasselblad and OnePlus Hasselblad, for the Hasselblad, it's only software. It's only tuning of the colors, not the optics itself, of course. The Hasselblad optics will be crazy expensive and the smartphone will be like thousands and thousands of dollars. This is a Leica optics, which is very, very nice. Portrait of a master. So, master shooting. Two-way satellite communication. So, satellite communication is very nice. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. IP68 dust and waterproof resistance. Professional 2K super vision screen. 3000 nits peak brightness. That's for the HDR. And, of course, G.SKILL battery. 5300 mAh high power battery. With 90 watt charging and 80 watt wireless charging. Well, then it's so close. 90 wire, 80 wireless. So I think wireless. I don't know. Anyway, this is the white one and this is the black one. They both look fantastic, especially with that artificial leather. I will probably take a black one. I will definitely buy this smartphone, but I'm not sure which color yet. I think black one. Yeah, that's most likely. Refresh the camera-like design. Okay, like I said, this translation is not ideal. Attention to details worth a closer look. Oh yeah. You see? Nice. Hard power and Xiaomi Dragon armor. So the design itself will be stronger, tougher. It won't break that easily. Titanium Special Edition will be available also with a full texture and probably way more expensive. Leica optical hierarchy is revealed. Okay. Leica All-Stars quad camera, full focal range, large aperture. So what do we have? 50 million pixels, Sony Leeway T900 sensor. The similar sensor is, okay, the same sensor is in the Oppo Find X7 Ultra, link in the description, but a little bit of different lens. The sensor is the same, but the lens is a bit different. This one is with a variable aperture. So the aperture will open and close, depends on the light conditions. That's really good. In Oppo it was just 1.6 and that's what it was. There was no moving aperture. 23 millimeters equivalent of focal length. Hyper OS, so optical image stabilization, 122 degrees wide angle, 1.8 large aperture. Wide angle lens, another lens is also 1.8. Wow, they all have optical image stabilization. Look at them. Okay, the ultra wide angle doesn't have that. But it has autofocus. See, 5 centimeter super macro, so it has autofocus and wide angle lens. That is great. And of course, telephoto has optical image stabilization and 50 million pixels. All those lenses. Damn, looking nice. Alright, this smartphone is basically designed for that camera, so most of the information will be about the camera. Alright, well, let me just move on. Let's move on. New Xiaomi ESP AI large model. So new AI for the Xiaomi portrait large model, color LM, tonal LM fusion, optics, full focal range, master portrait. So we will get a tremendously nice portrait mode. There you go. We're going to test it out. Definitely, we're going to test this feature. I can see complex lighting. It's hard to hide outstanding performance. All right. Ultra snap. It's all about the camera. Like I said, this is live from China, so the site is not exactly loading too quickly, especially with the translation. Leica Pro Street Mode 2.0. Pro Street Mode. Now that is all right. 0.7 faster startup. Okay, so it will launch the camera faster than than usually. And what's in the box? Okay, that's not in the box. That's the extra gadgets for that camera, which means that grip, extra grip. That's protection case, professional camera grip, 67 filter, adaptive ring, decoration ring, and professional photography package, instructional manual. So, like in the previous version, same kit. Leica dual image quality stuff. All right, so it's all about the camera, I guess. Master shooting. Retail surround sound for video. Wow, surround sound for video, that's incredible. A flagship large screen. 2K super screen with Dolby Vision, HDR, and HDR Vivid, I guess. We have 2K screen, 522 ppi, that's a lot of ppi. Dolby Vision, 12-bit dial color, that's, wow, that's impressive. Professional primary colors. And it didn't translate, all right, didn't. We have that flagship processor. New cooling, looks good. And the battery, 80% capacity after 1,600 cycles. That's wow, look at those cameras. Wow, that is insane. That is crazy. All right. Okay, charging for 35 minutes for the wire and 50 minutes for wireless. That is faster than the latest Samsung Galaxy S24 for wire. The wireless one is faster than, well, that's crazy. Flagship experience. Satellite signal amplifier. All right. Xiaomi Serenity A signal. Dolby Atmos stereo speakers. Wi-Fi 7. High rate coverage. And price. We need to see a price. What will be the price, my friend? What will be the price? Let's see. Let's see the price. This is, of course, with yen. How is it to US dollar? Well, let me just... So that's the 16 to 500 version. 12 to... Okay, that's the least expensive one. How much is it? How much is it in dollars, my friend? In dollars. That's $900 for the least expensive version. $900 in China. Medium one. Let's do it again. 972. And the most expensive, a terabyte version. Wow, this will be... This is not the most expensive version. There's also a titanium version. $1,084 in China. It's good. But there's also a professional... okay, there's a crystal blue. And where's the titanium? There's no titanium? What the fuck? Okay, that's the same price. Oh, that's the... Yeah, that's the better... That's the better version of the kit and everything, and this will be like $1,181. That is not very expensive. Well, in China, in Europe, this will be like twice as much. It will be at twice as much. Yeah, I think it will be. Yeah, definitely will be at twice as much. So there you go. There you go. All the taxes and everything. I'm going to buy a black one, or maybe this one with the kit. I'm not sure yet, but definitely on this channel. And I think that's all I have. I will put the link in the description if the smartphone will be available in... when the smartphone will be available on Trading Shenzhen, because at the moment it is not available yet, but it will be soon. So I'll put the link in the description for you. And we'll make another video to show the European specs, European discounts, and European version. That's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.